There's no need for you to worry yourself. It was for my own sake that I did all that. It wasn't for you in particular. It's just my nature. I'd rather fight with my sword than run away, that's all.
So that's the only reason? You fought 100 men because it's not in your nature to run away.
Yeah, pretty much. Besides, I owe that bastard some payback. My memory of things is a bit unclear. I was lost in the swordplay.
Yeah, pretty much.
But to tell you the truth,
besides, I owe that bastard some payback.
Compared to what you're trying to do,
my memory of things is a bit unclear. I was lost in the swordplay.
It has no purpose.
But to tell you the truth, there was something I just couldn't get out of my head. Compared to what you were trying to do, me fighting 100 men means there's no need for you to worry. It has no purpose. It was for my own sake that I did all that. It wasn't for you in particular. It's just my nature. I'd rather fight with my sword than run away. That's two of you have something important that you can stake your lives on.
You fought 100 men
because
it's not in your nature to run away.
Compared to the strength of that purpose, whether I face 100 men in battle or even 1,000 seems like nothing but a random act.
Besides, I owe that bastard some payback. My memory of things is a bit unclear. I was lost in the swordplay.
Some view, huh?
But to tell you the truth,
Gaston is going to get very suited for army life.
Compared to what
his intention is to start a tailoring business with the money's earned when this war is over.
It has no purpose.
He's very good with his hands, though he may not look it. Nicole had proposed to a woman who refused him once. Apparently she didn't want to marry a common soldier, so he declared that he would get promoted as soon as possible so he could ask her again. That's why he tends to be reckless and overextends himself in battle. It seems to me that everybody stakes their lives in a lost cause. Looking over them all from up here, I almost think I can see their hopes and dreams flickering in each little light.
Like a bonfire of dreams.
Well, that was beautiful. You sounded like the princess talking.
Don't say that! But I understand. It's like each one of them has his own little light, or a small flame that he brings to the band of the halls.
Yeah.